Right. Assalamualaikum. A very good day, everyone. What we're going to do today is this is basically a walkthrough on what was it? Can't listen to myself properly here. Okay, so this is a walkthrough on our first lab assignment, portraiture lighting or studio lighting. The files can be obtained here. Basically, you just click that Google Drive link that brings you here, right? And you want to right click and download the whole folder. It will be a big folder. I have it here already, downloaded nicely here. Let's just have a look what's inside. You'll see that there are scenes and there is a portrait setups work file here. It's quite big, 500 meg. It also has all these other files, like it has the textures file, which contains all the textures, all the thief, that actually plugs to all the shaders, whether it's the skin shader, the shirt, the zipper, and so on. We also have EXR files here, which you can use to build up your lights. So if you have a light, you can plug the color attributes with one of these lights here, which we'll do that in later videos. Alright, so what do? Should you just simply open up this Maya file? Yes, you can for a start, but I decide not to do that. Okay, let's go to Maya and see. So we're here in Maya, and like I mentioned to you inside Discord, that what you need to do first is you need to point the project properly. So you go to File and set the project properly. So File, Set Project. Alright, and let's go find our project folder. We will assume this is the project folder, so I'll copy that, paste that, and say set. Right, and it says it doesn't have a project definition file, the .mel file, so just say create default workspace. Sweet. Alright, so now what I normally do is only now will I open up the scene. So you'll see to your left here that it only has a scenes folder, and you see that's the first Maya folder that we see. So this is what we're going to open. Click scenes and we're going to open it. Alright, don't save this file. Alright, let it load. It will take some time depending on your machine. Almost there. Alright, what I want you to notice is that of course we have the perspective camera here. Oof, this is quite heavy, so I'll just press 4 and hopefully that kind of lightens it a bit. Yeah, okay, now it's kind of stable. Alright, so that's your perspective viewport that you can see here. We're not going to render using the perspective camera. You'll notice that in here there is also a render cam. This is what we're going to use to render our scene. So I will actually change this to render cam here. So we're going to render this out in the 800 by 800 pixel resolution. Alright, so let's just look at this guy for a bit more. I'm gonna enlarge this one. You'll notice that our guy here, sorry, my PC is really lagging right now. Right, if I were to select this mesh, this skin mesh, and if I go to my attribute editor to the right here, there are many tabs, so let's just head on to the right here and choose AI standard skin. Alright, you'll see that some attributes like the color attribute inside diffuse, the color attribute inside specular, there's an arrow to it. It means that it's been plugged within something. So let's just click that and see. It says that it's plugged to textures head color A03 TIFF. So that's correct. What it basically points to is, if we were to look inside textures, it's pointing to, hold on. You know why it's lagging? Because it's recording actually. Head underscore color A3. Okay. Head underscore A3 TIFF. Okay. So because I created a project, I set the project properly, and then Maya knows where to point. Now, if I were to press 6 here in my viewport, by right, I should be able to see. I think I ran out of RAM, and it's totally gone. All right, should be able to see it technically. All right, there you are. Now it's loading properly. So you see the text just plugged in properly here. So I don't want it to be heavy, so I'll just press 4 for now. Bear with me. Okay, now it's a bit lighter, hopefully. The other thing I want you to note is, if you were to open up the bus underscore group, you'll see that there are 3 things grayed out here, and it's all been hidden. Rightly so. You see that this person is basically hairless at the moment. You need to select these 3 items, yeah, and then press H to unhide it, and you'll see that all the hair will pop up, as you can see here. Alright, do you need to render with hair or without hair? Well, if your computer can cope it, my computer can, it's a bit laggy now because I'm recording a video for you guys. But if your computer can handle it, by all means you can unhide the hair, beard and eyebrows and render that out when you're doing the renders. Okay, alright, so that's that. That's basically how you want to work with this file, and I'll kind of stop here for a bit because I think I need to restart my computer. It's very laggy. And once you've started to do your, let me just close this. Tell you what, maybe this guy could be 4 wireframe. Yeah, you know what? I just realized what's making this laggy. My Google Drive is syncing at the moment, and that's why. But I'll try to finish this video. The last thing I want you to note is, when you're rendering out using the render cam, you might want to select the camera and go inside render shape, scroll down to display options. I'm going to play around with the overscan so that you see the borders. So 1.5, 1.8 generally gives you the whole frame, so it's framed properly here at the moment, and this will render out perfectly. Alright, I'll stop the video now and try to fix my computer so that it's not too laggy. See you later, bye.